go home, go hard, go home, go hard, go home.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica M. Thank you all for taking the time to stop by and watch. I'm coming to you all today to show you the gift that I have for my husband for our 17th anniversary. They are the Larry Men Oversized Black and White Embellished sneakers by Alexander McQueen. They're white on white with white shoelaces. It has the black embellished design in the back. And I knew this gift would be perfect for him because Alexander McQueen is one of my husband and son's favorite brand. It came with a pair of black shoelaces as well, just in case you would like to switch out from white to black shoelaces. However, I don't think he would do that because I think he would probably keep the white laces in for that white on white shoe look effect. There you have it. The Larry Men Oversized Black and White Embellished Sneakers by Alexander McQueen. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so I can continue to bring you all more content. I hope you all enjoy the remaining of your day. And again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
Go hard, go home.